Okay, so this is the felt tissue thing that I was telling you guys about. You could do any, you can do any material like the tissue or just random material that you get at Walmart. But I chose felt because they came in all these like really bright colors. And then like when you go to either Walmart or the home store and you get these like tissue holders that you're supposed to put the tissue box in because you don't like how the tissue looks, yeah, just buy one of those. And I had to learn this on my own because I couldn't figure out, like I couldn't find videos on how to fold tissues where they connect. So basically it's super easy. You lay one out and then you lay one like halfway through and then take this one, the bottom one, and fold it. I mean, it doesn't have to be exact, but, and fold it like that in half. And then you take the next one, put it on, like exactly where that line goes. And now you take this one, which is now the bottom one, and fold it in half. And you just keep doing that over and over again until all of them are folded. You can be fancy and like do the colors of the rainbow. A lot of times the colors that I have repeat. They'll like pull 3 yellows at a time. Alright, and then once you're done, you just stick it in the box. I like to do it upside down like this. So you just make sure that this goes into the hole, like that. And put the rest in there. And stick the bottom one. And then, yeah, there you go. So you just pull it out. Pull it out. Voila!